Believe it or not, I'm not the one who put these Transformers logos on my car, but today I'm going to tell you who did. All that's coming up right now on Stuff with Stephen. Hey there guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the Transformers Special Edition package on my 2010 Camaro SS. I've been to a few car shows over the years, and one thing I've learned is that not many people know that this was an option package from the factory, so they're a little shocked when I tell them that I'm not the one who put these logos on the car, Chevy did. See, the Camaro played a big role in the Transformers movie franchise as Bumblebee, which was great marketing for GM. So Chevy decided to take advantage of that publicity, and that's where the Transformers package came from. There were a few different versions over the years, but today I'm going to show you everything that came with this package on the 2010 version. Let's get to it. The Transformers Special Edition Appearance Package retailed for $995. It basically adds some Transformers and Autobot logos to different areas of the car. Now, the first and most obvious one in my opinion would be the one here just below the Camaro badging. It's a decently sized Autobot logo on both the driver and passenger side front fenders. This is the one that typically grabs people's attention when I'm sitting in traffic or at a car show. Continuing around the exterior, the next thing you see are more Autobot logos. This time they serve as the center caps for all four wheels in place of the standard Chevy logo. This is rather subtle in my opinion, like most of the logos in this package. Next are the black stripes that cover the hood and trunk of the car. At first glance, these may just look like the standard black stripes you see on any Camaro, but if you look closer, you can see that the Transformers name has been etched into the stripe on both sides, and I have to say that I like the ghosted effect. For anyone who gets one of these and is thinking about taking off the Transformers package badging, this is the one that will prove the most difficult just because it would require you to replace the stripes. Now, this is pretty difficult to get on camera, so if it's not showing up, then I'll make sure to throw a picture in here as well for you guys to see the effect. Stepping into the interior, we see the Transformers name again, this time as the door sill plate. This is one of the areas that I tend to forget because of its location, but I do think it goes well with the vertical door kit on this car since it's on full display when the door is up. I should also add that the vertical doors are not part of the Transformers package. This is actually an aftermarket mod that me and my dad installed, and you can check out that video if you're interested, which should be popping up in the corner somewhere. Now moving all the way to the interior, you can see that this looks like your pretty standard run-of-the-mill 2010 Camaro. And that's because there's only one thing that's been changed as a result of having this package added. And so you probably hadn't noticed it yet, but if I lift this up so that the sun plays a little nicer with it, you can see that there's a Transformers Autobot logo embroidered on the center console armrest. And that is actually the only thing that is different on this car versus a standard Camaro SS without the Transformers package. So there you have it, the Transformers Special Edition package for a 2010 Camaro. As you can see, this video went pretty quick since the appearance package really doesn't add all that much. Overall, it's pretty subtle. I used to think it was cheesy, but now I think it pairs well with the vertical door kit that this car also has, which makes the doors look like Bumblebee's arm. Over time, it has definitely grown on me, and if you're gonna have a bright yellow car, you might as well go all in. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to let me know down in the comments, did you know that the Transformers package was a thing? Because personally, I didn't know until I actually bought this car a couple of years back. So, and you know, as I've come across people at car shows and things, there's not all that many people who seem to know that this was a thing. And maybe it was just one of those things that wasn't all that popular, which, considering how little this package added, I'm not all that surprised. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching.